At the market open on Monday, we got a new high around the $2.70, and the volume is picking up 7%. The first time we have this kind of jump, guys, for a while. As you can see here, once we hit the $3 around the 3rd of August, the price continued to go down from there until the $2.35. And now we got two buying pressure finally around the 19th of August and today. So what the price will do, are we going to have the test with the $3 today or tomorrow or this week? Are we going to squeeze before September or not? We're going to discuss it right now in our video. Before we go further, remember our content always for educational purposes only. So yes, AMC is currently flying, but not drastically flying. 6%, yeah, because usually we jumping 2-3% in one go or in just few minutes. This time we jumping almost 4% or 10% is going at the first 10 minutes from the market open, and this is a good start for the week. As everybody knows, we're already pulled back since the test around the $3, 23%, around the $2.33 on the 3rd of August. This is not a coincidence, guys. So we've got the $3 level is been noted clearly where the short seller added their position big time, and this is the first time that we jumped this much of percentage in one go since the beginning of this month, and right now at the verge of the end of this month for this week. So this is it. We might have the reversal and squeeze even before testing the $2.12. As we discussed before the last week, we said that there is a chance for a test for the $2.12 before the market maker buying around this level of discounted price. However, we said also would be even better if the price never even tested the $2.12 and reversed before that. And that's what happened. And that's what's happening right now, because we're getting near the 8% jump and it's still not even 10 minutes from the market open. This is a drastic reaction from AMC since 1 month ago. So now we're missing another 10% for a squeeze. And this time, guys, let me just be frank with you. We don't want to see any rejection around the $3. What I mean by a rejection, let me just show you by two examples. I like to show example. I don't like to talk, guys. I like to show. So let me just show you. Here we got a rejection. Rejection is mean a wick, no closing candle, green candle over the tree, and the price quickly pulled back down. This mean the short seller added their position big time. And of course, there's a fundamental reason that we did last time and technical reason last time. However, the second time, the same reaction. We have a level around the $3.08, a new level. Yes, we tested the new level, but not a clear breakout. And this time, we didn't pull back almost 50%. We pulled back less, almost 23%. So you see, we have more buying pressure, and this is confirmed by not even testing the $2.12. This is a good reaction in the big picture, seeing that we're doing lower highs, and this is a trend of bullish reversal. Now we got the third time, guys, the third time that we're gonna test for the $3. What we want to see, the only thing that we want to see is clear breakout. Let me just give you the scenario. Let me just show you exactly what we should do here. Pull back. Let me this, that, and of course we need a clear breakout for this level, okay, over the $3. Not just normal breakout, but a clear breakout for this level. Not just a test, but a clear breakout, like what happened. Let me just show you on the level before, just over there. You see, this was a resistance before around the $1.65, and we have a clear breakout here. Price pulled back and it still didn't pull back below the $1.65. This is the reaction as here that we did back in May. We want to happen exactly around this red circle, going up, accumulating here, and then continue to go higher toward the 4 and the 555. We don't want to see a reaction that happened twice here. It's called fake out. So we don't want to see another fake out for AMC before the end of this month. Of course, if this happened before the market open or after hours, we're going to discuss it first on our Discord. As you can see here, we do a lot of updates before the market open to discuss the entry for many stocks. We did for BDD that had earnings. We did it for, of course, AOI for buying the dip reversal before even the market open, because some stocks doesn't wait for us to trade them at the market open. That's why we always update them on our Discord and Patreon for our traders. So tomorrow we're gonna discuss as well AMC, of course, in depth on our live streaming as usual, 15 minutes before the market opens. So stay tuned for that and put the notification on. Of course, don't forget to be notified once we go live every day.